Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing something different. I'll be drawing on Procreate, which is a digital drawing app. And today I decided to draw a lady tanning on the beach. To start, let's pick on the Layers tab and click the plus icon twice to create two new layers. Now we will click on the last icon on the top right corner to select our colors. We are now starting the sketch for the basic shapes. Once done, let's go to our second layer and pick our brush icon. Here you are going to have multiple brushes to pick from. The one that I'm using is in the Sketching tab, which is pencil 6B in the color pink. Now we are going over it for a more detailed sketch. Once done, I will go back to the first layer and unclear the layer box. And I will click back on layer 2. And voila, layer is done. Now we are going to color on layer 3. Inside the brush library, click on airbrushing and then click on hard brush. Make sure you are outlining every part of the sketch before moving the color.
What is wrong with that hand?
Now keep outlining the area and dragging the color.
Oh my god.
Here I am doing some light touch-ups. Once all colors are completed, go back to the Layer tab and remove the pink sketch from the beginning. And this is the final product. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!